Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna discuss about an unboxing of a package, and that package I have got from BeautyBay.com. BeautyBay.com is a online shopping site where you can order hard to find brands. This is the UK based website, and this is a source for buying the international brand cosmetic. So I have ordered some stuff from Beauty Bay and it reached to me today, and I thought let me you guys have sneak peek on what I have bought from Beauty Bay. So let's check it out. So this is the box I have got, and this is already scrambled, damaged, just like anything, and I'm just gonna open it. And I got the price amount of all the items. So I have ordered 5 items in the list and all are related to makeup. What a bad packaging, seriously. So this is the package. By the way, I didn't like the way it is packaged and came to me. It's just a box, some bubble wrap, that's it, and there is another bubble wrap where I can find my all the items. So I have got the 5 items in the package which I have ordered. So where to start is I want to go with the foundation. This is a Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and my shade is 09, which is tan. Actually, you will find Milani in anywhere in India, Nykaa or any online shopping, but I couldn't find my shade, that's 09 tan. I checked in Nykaa. I asked so many times at Nykaa, but this shade I couldn't find from them. So forceful on me to order in Beauty Bay. So I will definitely have a review on this foundation. This is too much hyped foundation. So let's see how it goes on my skin, whether this particular shade is suitable for me or not. I'll shoot a video on this. Actually, I can do the wear test of this foundation. Not a bad idea. So this foundation says that it has medium to full coverage, lightweight, oil-free formula, long wearing, water resistance and sweat proof. So I'm gonna do the wear test for you guys and let's see how it goes on my skin. 09 tan shade. So this foundation has a pump which I really like. I really want every foundation should have a pump, or it should be in the form of tube, because hygiene is a must for all the cosmetic stuff which has in the liquid form. So I'm gonna just have a little on my hand just to see the consistency. Yes, as it says that it's a medium to full coverage, so it looks like that. It is a yellow undertone foundation, and if it says it is oil free, then it must be very good for oily skin. That's the reason I have bought it. Okay, looks good. Yes, and the cost of this foundation is 11.6 pounds. So next one is the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil Crayon, and it's a granite shade because we are Indians and our eyebrows are pretty black in color, so this shade is meant for Indians. So not only Indians, everybody can use who has black brows. So this is how it looks like, very thin pencil kind of, and you have 2 open caps here. This is the actual product where you just go and apply on your eyebrows, reset your eyebrow shape, and then you have one small comb kind of brush. You just need to settle down your brows. So I really like this kind of product because you have safety caps here so that it won't be damaged if you're traveling carrying it, so which is good. Let me just swatch on my hand you need to go with the lighter hand. So if you can see here, this is the shade. The next product is Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick made in USA, and the brand is lasplashcosmetics. So this is Raspberry Crumble, and the cost of this lasplashcosmetics is this is velvet one, right? Yeah. So it is 4.74 pounds. This is like frosted bottle, and you have a golden rose cap, and you have a good wound, which is important for any liquid lipstick. So I'm gonna swatch this one on my hand. This is the mauve color, which I really like. So this is the one. This is Raspberry Crumble shade. I'm gonna use this in my videos, and I'll let you know the feedback on this Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick from lasplashcosmetics. The fourth product is Liquid Linen Long Lasting Lip Color, which is from bhcosmetics, and the cost of this one, bhcosmetics Liquid Linen, is 3.31 pounds, and this look like it. And this is also a liquid lipstick, and you can see the shade on the cover of this packaging, and I have not seen the name of the shade. Yeah, Karen. Yeah, it is there also, Karen, and it shows you the color of the liquid lipstick as well. So okay, let me try this on, swatch on my hand. Oh, this is not going to work out for me for sure. I am disappointed. This will definitely won't be suited for me. This would be for more fairer than me guys, and I don't think I'm gonna use this one. Let me see whom I can give this one. Oh, my money is wasted. Okay, all right, and the final product is from bhcosmetics. It's my Rere palette, and this palette has 21 color eyeshadow, highlighter and contour palette. So let's see how it goes. And I really like the packaging. It's like a book kind of packaging, and if you see, open the first page, open the second page, and you will see the beautiful palette. They said there are 21 eyeshadows, but I don't see here 21 eyeshadow. Do you see here anywhere? Okay, I got that. Here 15 shades, and here 6 shades. 15 plus 6, 21. And the cost of this palette is 21.74 pounds, but they have arranged the palette in such a way that you can use as an eyeshadow or as a highlighter or as a contour. So if you see, this could be the highlighter, these two shades, and these are the contour. This could be your transition shade, or the just to cover your black shade on your eyelids, and this could be the shimmers on your eyeshadow application, and these are having beautiful colors. I really like if eyeshadow palette has a shade name in the palette, and which is really good. I can explain you guys which shadow I have applied on my eyelid. So Nudist, Pancake, Mousse, Control Freak, Black Beauty, Spice, Midnight Sunset, Friday, Connie, Angel, Allison, Tiffany, Fairy Tale, Passion. And these are absolutely beautiful names. I think I'm gonna use most of these eyeshadows in my applications, eyeshadow applications, and I'm gonna use the highlighter, this as a the name is Moonlight and Radiant. I'm going to use as a highlighter, and this is perfect shade for contouring. I have bought a lot of products from BH Cosmetics in the past as well, and I'm hoping that the quality of this palette also will be very good and as per my expectations. So I'm gonna shoot a separate video on a review of this palette, how I did for my Glam Manish Malhotra's palette. So I'm gonna do the same for this palette and create a eye look for you. So this is what I have bought from beautybay.com, and I'm hoping that you will also start buying international brands cosmetics from this website. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and don't forget to click on the ring bell button and start sharing this video with your friends and family members. And in this video I'm gonna request you to write some comments for this video. So bye for now, I'll meet you in next video.